Welcome to the Streamer update. As of today, May 13th, Streamer allows you to have captions during your Zoom meetings. Let's get started. I'm going to begin in my Zoom account settings to make sure that closed captioning is enabled. Then what I'm going to do is go into Zoom and start a new meeting. What we want to do is come down here to closed caption, click on closed caption, and you're going to copy the API token, and it'll let you know that it copied the API token to the clipboard. Once you've done that, you want to go to your Streamer account. I'm already in my lobby, ready to go. I'm going to click on the right-hand corner Streamer settings, go to Zoom closed caption. As you can see, it asks for your API URL. You're just going to go ahead and paste the API, and then you're going to click Start. But obviously nothing is recording. You have to remember to turn on your microphone. It's not enough that your microphone's turned on in Zoom. You also need to make sure that your microphone is turned on in Streamer. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to turn it on, and it's going to start captioning, which is fine. Then we're going to go back to our Zoom meeting. And as you can see, it started captioning right away. One of the nice features that Streamer has included in their captioning program is that your name or your username in Streamer is going to appear at the top left-hand corner. So that's really nice if you're going to have multiple speakers or multiple users in the room. Just remember, we need to make sure that each of them has their own Streamer account and are inside your Streamer room to make sure that what they're saying is being captured. So that's pretty easy. And of course, like with other captioning services, if someone is using an iPad, the captions come up immediately. If someone is on the computer, they need to come down to closed captions and show captions. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.